All right, good morning. We're about to get started cleaning these solar panels. We just did an aerial inspection. We saw that there's a few defective panels, so the naked eye cannot see it, but thermal drone, let me show you guys something. So the mansion building, we're concerned about if we're gonna how we're gonna clean it. What's our safety. So we told them exactly what we're going to be doing, how we're going to be doing it, and what our safety method is. The reason for the concern is because there was an individual that actually lay down or sat down on the skylight and fell down. I'm sorry I laughed, but how in the world? I mean, it's common sense, you know. You don't sit down, you don't go on top, you don't recline on any of the skylights. And it was two incidents, not just one, but two. Here's the other one right here. Wow. Can you imagine just going through that? I hope the individual's okay. They said at least they didn't pass. They just got injured very badly. So there's gonna be an easy cleaning. We should be in and out in just about 2 hours. So yeah, he's over there just looking around. Pretty small system. That's a wrap. We've finished the completion of this small commercial solar site. 2 hours and 23 minutes. The facility owner told us that previous companies and employees have fallen through the skylights. I don't understand how people really don't have common sense that you shouldn't be leaning, reclining, laying, sitting near a skylight. Common sense, guys. Just be safe. All right, so look at how it's looking. This whole facility has order mist ventilators, and it's landing on all the modules. This is how it looks like after being cleaned 3 times. This has to be chemically treated, so it's just drying. It just removed all the gunk, debris, light debris, but because of the mist or the chemical odors landing on all the panels, it basically coated them. So now this has to be chemically treated. Oh man. Good evening, guys. So we're at this commercial site. It's a waste management facility. So these panels right here that you see are actually, hey, I'm getting the brush, give me a sec. I'll call you back right now. I'm limited on battery. Back. All right, so these panels right here, they're actually clean. I know they don't even look like they're clean, but they are. The thing that is affecting all these solar panels is these, all located all over the roof. These are all deterrent sprayers, so, or odor sprayers. So it basically lands on the panels and it doesn't even come off. It's like solidified onto them. So we're gonna give a whole restoration bid. We know what it will take to fully restore these solar panels, and yeah, let's see if they approve it. It's gonna take a lot of labor hours, but we know solutions, and that's what we provide, solutions. All right, completed with the whole site. It's a beautiful sunset. Man, these sunsets are gorgeous. Just look at the view. Look at the marvelous view right there. And there's me right there. Okay, so we're done cleaning them. They look like shit still, but that's because this big things, look at that, it's just stuck on it. So they're aware that they're gonna look like shit. We actually brought them up here to show them firsthand how thorough we clean them and then how they look. So I just got confirmation that they're gonna be looking to get a thorough cleaning on this whole facility as a whole restoration. So it's gonna be a good, if the client accepts, it's gonna be a good project. So we're gonna start packing up and heading home. If you guys ever do a quote on a metal roof, just be aware that they're always gonna be lifting step by step when you're walking. Now if you have steel toe shoes, how you're supposed to, it gets pretty heavy, especially after a long day. Start turning your lower back. So obviously you can walk in valleys, you know, like normally, so you'll be able to relax here and there. But when you're walking like this the whole time, it's pretty tiring. Just up and down, up and down. Mostly a lot of companies don't like working on metal roofs just because of that. It's a little bit, it takes a little bit longer, and then plus you get to slip a lot. Just like this area, it's always slippery. So, oh, gorgeous, gorgeous. And you know, people might actually laugh if you guys, you know, at solar cleaners, but you know, in reality, we get to see some wicked views all the time. Make sure no one's there. Is there any headlights or building lights? Feet. 20. 10. Last end. Pull away. Nobody there? Ready? 3, 2, 1. Cool. Awesome. He's down there. All good? That's all. So you guys see how I'm talking about the mist? It's like the panels are all clean. The only thing is that this whole thing doesn't come. I love it. It's all over my mouth. Well, this is the best that was done. Oh, also remember, these panels are flat. One of the worst sites that I've ever been on. But there is no, I love a good challenge here and there, because then we can find solutions, we can help clients, and we can restore those systems. Beautiful view. And then also there's skylights, but the good thing is that they're barred up with metal mesh, so we can know exactly where they're at. Now we're heading down.